Hi guys, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and we're on page 7 out of 12 of the beginners classes for Simply Paisley Scrapbook Kit from Anna Griffin. The link and everything will be in my comments. So yeah, and this is what the album looks like. But before we start, I wanted to show you, did you know that if you share and follow me and let me know so I can go check it out, that each month there's a giveaway for everyone that shares, and I have so many extra dies from Anna Griffin that I am gifting once a month. So yeah, there's a video pinned to my TikTok, but I can't pin it anywhere else, so go check that out. Anyway, so here's the album. Let's set it to the side. And this is our double page layout, Perfect Bliss. And that is it. And that is it. That's what's on the other side. And that is tomorrow's. So let's put this right here. And let's get started. I'll tell you exactly what you need to have to get started. Okay, so it's this sheet. And we have cut into a 1/2 inch, so it's 1 inch cut in half, so you need 2 of these 1/2 inch, so you need 4. We're going to use this border. We're going to use 2 of these, and on the other one, this is the left side, on the right side we're going to use this journaling card. We're going to use Perfect on this, and on the other one we're going to use Bliss. We have these two going different directions, so you need them one each for each page, so you're going to need 4 altogether. You're going to need this, and it's going this direction, and on the other one, let me grab it, it's going the other direction. See how it doesn't match up? They're going different directions. So on the left, we're using this one, and then we're using 1 each, and they're going different directions, so you need 4 altogether, but 1 of each of this. Okay, so this paper's going this direction. I'm going to turn it to make it easier for me. And I am going to, whoa, I don't want my stuff to fall. There you go. I want to make sure I'm in frame a little. So I'm coming down 1 inch and putting this, I'm using the grid on my Anna Griffin glass mat, and I'm coming down 1 inch and I'm lining it up. There we go. Then we're going to use this one. This is a border. The other ones we cut from our extra paper. We had 2 extra sheets, and so we're going to have it go this direction. Okay, and we're going to put it right there. And then we're going to take the other orange one and put it underneath it. Okay. Okay, now that's what it looks like. Ooh, it's a little busy, isn't it? Okay, so now we're going to get the photo mats. They don't have tape on them, so I prepped and put score tape on them. You can use glue or hot glue or whatever. So we are going to come in an inch and a ½ inch down. And then on this one, we're going to come in an inch. What I'm doing is looking at the score lines, and it actually covers up the other blue, so we're going to just cover that up. And so that's easy to line up. We're going to get the word perfect and poke out all the little pieces. So a little one right there. So a little one right there. Okay, and there is 7 letters. So we're going to get this, and we know that 6 is the center of 12, and we're going to put the F. Let's move it up a little because we're going to put the F as right in the center of the 6, and we're going to put it there, and that's pretty centered. Okay, we're going to take this I'm going to add a little bit of glue just down the center. I should have not taken the backing off. That way a picture could fit in between it. And it is just going right here, but I think we can still fit a picture underneath it. So then we're going to take these two, and it's going to be that direction like this. And we're going to put them here and here. So where's the piece? I have a piece missing. Yeah, I have a piece missing, so this piece I must have left out, and so let's go back. And so what we're going to do is, I don't know where it's at. So I'm going to find it. I know I have it, but I don't know where it must have fallen on the ground. So what we're going to do is go ahead and make the page, and then I'll add it and show you tomorrow. So this is going about here. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know where it went. It fell somewhere. And this is going to go here. Here's the pieces. These two are going like this in this direction, and we're going to put it here. Okay, and what we're doing is they're going like this, and they're kind of gonna almost touch, and they go there. See, they go straight down, and they're almost touching together. And then that other piece, let's say that, I don't know where I put it, that's surprising, this piece, and it's going that direction, and let's say that this is it, and it's just going to go right in the center. So it would go right in the center. So there you go, guys. And then on the second page, the only thing different is there's that piece, and I don't know if you can see this. The only thing different is we're going to only glue this journaling card right here so that we can stick a photo underneath here or a photo on top, depending on your journaling. You can always move this and put it down here and cover this up. It's your choice. So there is the double page layout, even though I'm missing a piece, and I'll go look on the floor and find it. So hopefully you like it. Make sure you share and be a part of the monthly giveaway. Those dies run about $45 to $70, so they're very nice. And also All the links to Anna Griffin's shop will be in the comments. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day.